Wait a minute, Erica is in the building. Erica. I love it. Can I tell her? Wait a minute. The saints are in the building. And restoration. Restoration is in the house tonight. Look, we just made up a name for the next women's convention. The word for the next women's convention is victorious secret. That's the word. Look at our secret. So
yes. It's not hurt no more. Look at Erica's face. What you want?
Look. Baby, you know I know how to transform. Now I could give you a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Hey, sugar!
I need those.
But Erica got too many pointy glasses.
These different.
Listen, Saints. Wait a minute, I gotta get it together. All right. Me and Erica is twins on tonight. We are here
You all right now since you got my
at Holy Church.
I'm going to speak to Bishop about
Restoration. Look, I said, it used to be Holy Church.
The Pharaohs had
Wait a minute. This is the fine first lady.
my head is sweating out now.
Wait a minute. Look at this fine first lady. We don't get too many of those around here. But we got one right here.
Oh my Lord. You didn't scare me. I thought you was videotaping.
No, she videos.
Okay.
I don't do that.
Snapchat.
Say hi, Kenny.
What is it?
I snap my fingers. I snap.
You have to go live.
I don't like live on Facebook. Where?
I'm gonna take my glasses.
Baby, they came in here on tonight. Wait a minute. Praise the Lord, Saints. The Saints is in the building.
Yes. Hi.
This is missionary Janet. Look, wait. Now I'm not gonna tell you how many missionaries she is, but on that note, oh my God! Hey, sucker! And this is Bishop Christopher Winley's sister. Don't she look good, baby? She is blinged out on tonight, and we thank him. Wait a minute, I got it. Look, my pants is falling down. I always falling apart, but it's all right. The saints will keep you together. You know what?
How you supposed to be?
Listen, I'm here on tonight with the saints.
Oh God! Oh Jesus! Not
Bless
like
them.
this.
Is this?
Not looking like that.
Kisha, why is your tag showing?
Is my tag showing? It's my tag. Listen,
Who's on here? What is this?
why is everybody asking what is this?
What's going on?
Is this Snapchat?
No, just know that you are being recorded.
Oh, this is going to go on Facebook. You know Kisha put everything. Keisha put everything on
Why
Facebook.
you trying to hide though? Don't hide.
We are, look.
Come here,
I'm about to tell you
anointed
this.
one.
Look, Chanel, I'm about to say it.
Wait.
We are the original sons and daughters of this church right here. Don't you ever forget it.
Don't ever forget it.
God knew it. Why is you?
Wait, she's taking it way back when we had to cover our heads. You know, when your head wasn't covered, they would get a piece of paper towel and a bobby pin and stick it on top of your head, wouldn't they? Baby, and don't have no split because the mother's gonna come with some pins.
They pinning that up.
You got that right, and don't come with your chest down.
Oh no.
No. You know what? The Saints, we're about to get out of here on tonight.
Nick, where's Dominic?
Dominic, right there.
Did you give me these? Dominic, did you give me these?
No. He said no. Look, Erica always trying to get some glasses. Wait a minute. We are over here with the one and only first lady that plays no games. Here, Bishop Parham's wife, the lady. Such a blessing in the kingdom. We churched on today. We churched. Yes, we did, honey. And she gave it up for the Lord. She praised the Lord like it was her last time.
Every time.
See, that's how we have to do when we come in the house of God. On that note, y'all take that note and let it simmer. I'll talk to y'all later.